Ah, 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 ah. Just rock it a little bit. Don't try to push it all at once. There you go. Let it come back. Now push. Let it come back. Now push. Not with your left hand, your right hand. Or not with your right hand, your left hand. I want to get you dropping your tree. I don't want to come help you. It's right there. Well, get in there and cut it a little more.
Has to be the middle.
Can you cut it anymore? I'll get your saw. On this side here, where you were cutting. No, no, no. No, no, no. Go back over there. No, not there. Turn over. Oh. I guess you'll have to come back over this way. Get in your cut right there. Yeah. Yeah, you can get down and sit down if you want, or get on your knee or something. There you go.
Falling.
Yeah, give it a push now.
Put this over here. Whoa. That's bending.
Uh-huh. There goes Wyatt's first tree.
Need a little more. Need a little more.
Now, put a little more with that saw. Just saw it till it falls. Try it. Tree's almost laying on the ground now. Oh, not this way, not this way. No, 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 no! Oh, crap. Well, Jewel, dang it, you're so right. Always a disaster with me. It was falling perfectly the other way.
Wait.
The wind came up and blew it this way. Dang it. Sorry, Glenn. He's related to you. What happened, Wyatt?
I don't know.
The wind blew it the wrong way?
I don't know. The saw, maybe?
Well, that's Wyatt's first tree. Nothing that can't be fixed, I guess.